Get in the zone.
Creative zone.
Today we're going to be sharing a diffuser blend with you to help get you in the creative zone, whether that be coloring
or painting.
Or paint. I was gonna say that. Or painting. I was painting with 2 hands.
That's all right. Maybe you're just really good at it.
This diffuser blend can help you. It's uplifting and energizing and helps you focus. So what you need for this blend is a diffuser. You'll also need orange, energy boost, and Cypress essential oils. Okay. You'll also want a master blend bottle like this one because you're gonna love this blend, and then you can make a master blend of it.
And you can gift it to somebody who needs a little creativity in their life.
So we just add the oils to the diffuser. We'll use 3 drops of orange. 1, 2, 3. We'll use 1 drop of Cypress and 2 drops of our energy blend. And once you have that in there, you can just plug in your diffuser and diffuse in an open room and express yourself. So when you love this blend,
because I know you will,
you can make a master blend using a 5 milliliter bottle. And for our subscribers of our monthly recipe box, they get this in their big bonus box. Holla if you're a subscriber. And to this, you will add 50 drops of orange, 33 drops of energy, and 16 drops of Cypress.
That is super precise.
So once that's mixed, you can go ahead and put that dropper top back on it, give it a swirl, and then you can label it.
I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Katie. We're certified aromatherapists from Simply Earth, and we love teaching people new ways to use essential oils.
Check out our website and go and check out our blog. We have tons of recipes there and just a bunch of ideas on how to use essential oils.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.